So peep this real quick here. We've gone through candlestick analysis, we've gone through support and resistance. So this class I will be taking you on one of my favorite um, way of looking at the market, which is called the chart patterns. I really love the chart patterns because the chart patterns always tell me when to enter the trade and what to look out for. You get me? So there are different kind of chart patterns in the market, and I will just take you on the few ones that are more important to me, the ones I always look out for. Like I'll just take you like, let's say there is a there's a double there's a double top which I showed you before using the resistance, using the resistance line. So this is the resistance. So once price comes, test here, come back, test here again, it's called a double top. And if we're using the support, if price come test here, this is called the support zone. You get me? So this is a double bottom and this is a double top. They are like two different kind of patterns in the market. You get me? It's just opposite. A double top is the top, a double bottom is the bottom. So that's for double top and double bottom. Then we have another chart pattern called the head and shoulder. You get me? This is the head and shoulder pattern. Yeah, left shoulder, head, and right shoulder. So this pattern always come up in the market. Once you are seeing a reversal in your market, you always see these patterns, and they can also be represented by candlesticks. You get me? There are some candlestick I'll just know, okay, this is a head and shoulder pattern. But if you go back down, do it again like this, you can see this is left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is inverted head and shoulder pattern, and these are very core. You need to take this into accountability when it comes to your technical analysis, because this is a huge part of technical analysis. So double left head, left shoulder, right, left shoulder, head, right shoulder. This is the neckline. Break and retest of the neckline, we are going up, because this is just a reversal pattern and this is just a reversal pattern. This is the neckline. There's something called the neckline. So if we are drawing, let's say, you get me? See, this is left shoulder, head, right shoulder. You get me? So this just showed you that we just broke a major point in the market, which is this last higher low at this zone. So breaking this last higher low, coming back to retest it, created the right shoulder, and this can be shown as the neckline. You get me? So the neckline, you just draw the neckline, come back to retest the neckline at this zone, then you take your trade. So this is just a chart pattern. This is what I look out for once I want to find a reversal pattern in the market. I just go and look for my head and shoulder pattern, or I look for my double top or my double bottom pattern. So these are like the core patterns I use when I trade. And there are other patterns. There's also this is a bullish channel. Price going higher, highs and higher. This is a bullish channel. Can also be called a bullish flag if it's like this. And there's also a bearish flag. There's also a bearish flag. You get me? There's also a bearish flag when you draw, and there's this wedge pattern. There's a rectangle. Like there are different patterns when it comes to trading the financial market. So, but I have core patterns I always look out for, because trading is repetitive. You need to repeat the same thing over and over. You just don't need to take everything and place it on your trade that, okay, this is what I want to do. You just find those core patterns and those core candlestick analysis you need, and you just repeat it over and over again. That's just the game. You repeat these patterns over and over again. So yeah, this is for chart pattern part 1. I might be coming for part 2, but and try to explain it more broad, but this is just like the rough explanation of my chart pattern. So these are the chart patterns I use when I trade.